Good morning, students. Myself, Kishore Kumar Sinha, your computer teacher. This is my first video after class test 2. In this video, I will discuss few tags of HTML. First one, description list. Second, nested list. And third one, adding images in a web page. So first of all, let me go to Notepad. Now, what is description list? If you want that a term, it is to be defined. Like if I am talking about computer, then I should have the definition of computer that it is an electronic device which converts raw data into meaningful information. Now I am going to use excuse me. So first of all, I will go for the HTML head, title. Now you can give the title of the web page, description list / title. Now you must have to close the head because it is container tag. Now next part, that is body. Now here I have to use the term computer. So I will use first of all DL tag, and in this one I will use DT. What is my term? Computer. So I will write here computer. Now it is your empty tag, my dear. No need to use /DT. In some books you will see it is given /DT, but DT and DD both tags are empty tags. Now what is my definition? It is an electronic device which converts raw data into meaningful information. My term is also used and its definition also used in DL. And now I have to close the DL tag. Now again you have to understand, my dear. You see, what is DT here? Your term, definition term, and definition description. DD is definition description. Here I use the term computer, and here I have defined computer in DD tag. And you are aware about the DL. Yes, what is DL? Description list. So inside this, your term and its definition should exist. Now I have to close the body tag as well as HTML. I am not going to discuss the structure of HTML document. Already I discussed it when I started the HTML. Now I have to save this file. So go to file and save your file. I want to give the name as disk.html. It is mandatory to use the extension as .html. Now click on save. Now the file you can see. Now you can see. Let me use the other web browser so that you can see me. You see, computer is what? My turn, and It is an electronic device which convert raw data into meaningful information. This is my definition. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now, my next topic is related to nested list. List already I discussed. Nested means what? Yes, a list present inside the another list, that is called as nested list. I will explain. Just now I am going to change the title. Here I am writing nested list. Now, inside the body you have to change the matter. First of all, I have to write the main OL type equal to A, start equal to 1. Already you are aware what is type and start attribute. Next one, my items. What are my items? First one is vegetables. Vegetables. Now, this is my main list. Inside I have to create one more list. Then I will go for another list. Maybe UL type equal to disk. Now, what will be its items? LI vegetable, that will be potato, one more I am writing, brinjal. Now, two are there. Now, after that I want to close my inside list by /UL tag. Now, I have to go for outside list and I have to define one more item, that is fruits. And I will close the final list. Now, I am saving this one file as nest.html and click on save button. Now, I am going to explain again, my dear. You see, this is my which list? Outside list. This one is my outside list. Which one is my inside list? This one is my inside list. It means that when the vegetables will be shown, then the types of vegetables like potato and brinjal will be shown, yes, the part of vegetable. I will show you. I have already saved. Now I am going to run this file. Now you can see it. My vegetable that I have declared in outside list and potato and brinjal that I have defined inside the inside list. So that's why it is showing like this way. Clear? So I can expand more. If I have to use fruits and inside fruits, again I have to create a list by OL tag, type equal to capital A, start equal to 3. It means the position will be what? C. Type equal to A, start equal to 3. Type equal to A means it will have the series A, B, C, D, but the position, yes, will be from C. Now here I am going to declare the items. Grapes. Next item, apple. And let me close this one by using /ol. Now you will see, now as vegetable has shown its subtypes, same way in fruits also it will show its types. Now I am going to run it. Now you can see, my dear, this is my list. Which list? Yes, outside list. And this one is, these two are the inside list of vegetables, grapes and apple. These are what? The inside list of fruits. So you can use, as you have already used bullets and numbering in MS Word, there you have nested list. Same rule we have to follow here also. So this is the definition list. Now the last part, that is how to add an image. For that I am taking the same file, my dear. So if you have to add an image, you have to use img tag. Img src equal to, now the location where your file is existing, that location you have to paste over here. Let me first see the file, pictures file. Yeah, I have a file, river, you can see it. I will click the right mouse button, go to properties to search the location. This is my location. Got it? So you have to copy this location. And now after copying this one, you have to paste this location in the notepad. But you have to remember the name of the file. What is my file name? River. And what is its extension? .jpg. You must have to remember. Now I am going here to paste the location. And what is my name of the file? River. Again I am showing you. Yeah, river. So I have to use river.jpg and close it. Now if you want to reduce or increase height and width of image, then you can go for height as 100 and width as, it depends on you what the size you want to have. Later on I will change it and I will show the output. Just now let me save the file. This is my file. I am going to run this file. Now see, my image is already shown there, but it is stamp size. I want to expand the size. Then again I will go to the notepad and here I will give big value so that the size, height and width, yes, will be increased. Again I have to save this one. Now where is my file? Nested. Here is my file. Wait. Let me close these all. Yes. Now see, your file size has been increased. So this is the use of img tag. I hope you understood these all topics. Thank you, my dear.